What's going on, guys? Just making an update video on the Convict Cichlids. The fry is finally swimming. I think today was their first day out. They've been in the pot the whole time. So this is their second batch of fry, and it's like way bigger than the first batch. There's babies everywhere. I really like this pair. I was gonna split them up because I want to get rid of some of these tanks, but I might just give them their own tank. Might give them like a 35 gallon if I do get rid of the 20 gallons. I think that would be perfect for them. Looks like they breed every 2 to 3 weeks. I think their last batch was 2 weeks ago. I'm going to start timing that, and we'll go from there. I got everything written down. Female's not the best looking female, but she's pretty cool. They get along well. The male's really nice, and he looks like he's getting a hump on his head, and it looks really good. He's got a good shape to him. So I just feed these guys pellets and they crush them up for the babies. So there's Big Papa. Female lost all her color like 3-4 days ago, and now she's getting it back. It looks like her stomach's getting bigger, so looks like she's getting eggs again. But anyway, that's the 20-gallon Convict Cichlid tank. It's running on a sponge filter. And some live plants, I guess, for filtration, which are rooting pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.